This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate how you can bypass parental controls on this device. As you can see, my parental controls are indeed activated. So in order to turn those off without having to grant any parental permission or authorization, you gotta go into the Google category of settings, then tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Once the Google Account Management Center gets loaded, open Data and Privacy page or section over here. Then opt for the Delete Your Google Account option. In order to go onwards, you're gonna enter the password to the Google account, to the child's Google account, I mean. Then check those two boxes at the bottom of the page and tap at the Delete Account option. From here, the parental controls were switched off, which I will demonstrate to you right about now. So as you can see, there is no Google account added or linked, and if I will open up the parental control services, there will be none. So basically from here, all that it's left to do is to recover or restore or remove the Google account, which you can do by using it to sign into the Google Play app. So enter the email address, then you should get the following message, then enter the password, and proceed with the login. Sometimes you may get the something went wrong message at this point. Do not be afraid or scared, just restart the login procedure. So re-enter your email address and password. And basically all the time, at all times it will work the second time around for sure. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.